Hey guys, Jesse at Ready. It's been a few weeks since we've updated you on the office and warehouse updates, so I'm going to do a walk around with you and show you some of the exciting things that have been happening since Christmas break. Let's take a look. So, as you guys saw in the last video, we've been working on putting in several new overhead doors, and it's exciting that they're in now, they're functioning. We're able to separate off certain areas, keep the heat in, and keep control of our spaces. There's another door around the corner here we'll show you. So this door here, we had a lot of air leaks and just things in the winter that you don't want for energy savings and other things, but got a new door in, everything's sealed up nice. So really making good progress there. Let's take a look as we go down our aisles here. A lot of parts are getting pulled. It's a challenging time with the stuff that's going on, but we're excited that stuff's happening and the orders are getting out the door and we're taking care of customers. Here you can see several stainless and drill rebuild orders in process. Paul's over here working on an order right now. And this is what I'm really excited about. This building is a really great building, except we never had good access from this northwest corner. And it just made it really difficult to get a vehicle in. And with this new door, this is actually the first time we've been able to use it in any functional capacity. But Isaiah's gonna drive the truck in. We're gonna add an airbag kit to the back to help level loads when we're hauling parts or hauling a load of any kind. And so this is really exciting to see. We've never been able to do this. We'll be able to pull a truck and trailer in and drive right on through all the way to the end. And so just really excited to be able to have more flexibility in that way. So what do you think of the new door?
Pretty sweet.
Yeah. We'll be able to do all kinds of maintenance now. Work on trucks, skid steer, trailer, load stuff. Very good. So as you guys saw last time, this is the other small door that got us into our clean room, or our what we call the intern room for now. So let's take a peek through here. We'll walk and see some of the office improvements that we're working on. So we're definitely at a point where a lot of the finish work is starting to happen, or we're getting ready for the finish work, but it creates a really dusty environment. So we've had to hang plastic up here to try to contain a lot of that sheetrock dust that is happening. They're mudding the walls right now, and we're really getting close to having a updated office area that looks really nice. Always a challenge when we're in the middle of construction and you're still using it as your main office area. So I'll highlight again what you guys probably saw in the last video, but we're moving the front entrance from the north side of the building, which is on the street side. It's really difficult for customers to know to go around there, and it's just not a good entrance location. We're moving the front entrance to the east side, and so we're gonna have a really nice vestibule here. Walk in, we've got 3 new offices that are going in. Really excited about that. It'll be kind of a unique, open, inviting entry area. Lisa is going to be here welcoming all the new people in, and it's just going to be really nice to add that capacity and extra space that we need. So thank you guys for coming in on the little mini tour we did. Again, we're really excited about this. We'll keep you up to date as we get closer to finishing. Until then, God bless.